Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ryan and welcome to the Investing Channel. In today's video I wanted to share with you guys how you can create your own gap scanners. So if you guys are day trading and you're looking for the ability to kind of quickly filter through all the thousands of stocks that are out there and find the ones that are gapping upward in the morning, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you guys how to create a gap scanner on the Thinkorswim platform by TD Ameritrade. So if you guys are into investing, whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, whatever, then please look over here, subscribe to the channel, and then smack the notification bell when it pops up so that you're notified when I come up with more videos. I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks and things that you guys can do to quickly know when is going to be roughly the best time to buy and watch and get ready. So you're going to want to watch my videos, okay? So let's go ahead and we'll get started on how to create your own gap scanner looking for gappers. All right, let's go. So I'm going to show you guys how you can set up a watch list, which is basically a scan for gappers, and you can have that sitting right here. Like right here, I have a study under personal for gappers right there, and they'll just start to load up. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. So have a piece of paper and a pen handy so you can make some notes, okay? The first thing you want to do is you want to go over to this tab over here called Scan, and you want to click on it. And then in here, if you don't see anything already in here, you're going to want to create a new one. So I'm going to come over here to the right side margin under Show Scan Query menu. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to go to Load Scan Query. And then I'm going to go down here to Create Scan Query. Now, when this loads up, let me move my image here. You'll notice in here, this is kind of a tight little window here. I don't know why they don't make it stretchable. But you'll see here if I scroll, there's a few different indicators already in here. So some of these we're going to just get rid of, okay? But some of them we can keep. So the very first one, I'm just going to change it. It says stock here. I'm going to change it to last. So let me go find that. There it is. I'm going to choose last. I'm going to set this to $1 on the minimum. And over here on the maximum, I'm going to change it from $10,000 to $10. Because for day trading, I like to go after stocks that are between $1 and $10. It means I can buy more shares if I want to, and if I buy more shares and the stock goes up, then I make a lot more money. If I go out and I buy, let's say, a $40 stock or a $100 stock, I have less money to play with, right? And if it goes up a couple dollars, I may only make a couple dollars. But if that same stock was priced at like $3 a share, I might be able to buy, 1,000 shares, and I could make a lot more money once it goes up. So I've got the last under the stock section here at $1 to a max of $10, and then I'm going to slide my mouse and I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and you'll see here I have another section called stock. And on this one I'm going to use volume, so that's already there, and then I'm going to go a minimum of 2,500, okay? And then I'm going to leave the maximum empty. I'm just going to clear that out and leave it to empty. So this way, if any stocks have a volume between 2,500 all the way up, it's going to appear on my scan. Now keep in mind, once the day starts, once it's 6:30 in the morning or 9:30, wherever you are, if you're on the East Coast, and the day's already started, obviously the volume's going to be a lot higher, okay? So you might want to change that up to like 100,000, or maybe you want to put it up to like over 1 million, okay? Because obviously if you get into a stock and the volume is over 1 million, you'll be able to buy, you'll be able to sell easily. If you look for stocks that have a low volume, that means that if you go to try to sell, there may not be enough people in there willing to buy your stock and purchase it, okay? So you might get stuck in something that you don't want to be in while the price is dropping. Alright, so I've got the volume set to 2,500 and a max, I just leave it open. I can come in here at any time and I can change this depending upon what time of the day it is. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit more, and I've got another section called stock. And this time I'm going to change it from percentage change, I'm going to change it to shares. And let's see here, I'm going to go with 1 million shares. Let's see if I got there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, there's 1 million. And then I'm going to raise it up to a maximum of 50 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to I can't scroll down anymore because there's only 3 sections here, but I want to add one more component. So I'm going to go over here to Add Filter, and I'm going to choose a study. Now, this is something I need to point out to you guys that are using the Thinkorswim platform. If you were trying to set up this scan under your paper trading account, you're not going to be able to, because for whatever reason, Thinkorswim limits the type of components, the type of fields or categories that you can add to a study, to a scan area right here. They limit you. So I don't know why, but you have to basically put the scan together on your live account, and then what you can do is you could maybe get a list of what you're looking for, maybe take a photo of it with your camera, and then jump into your paper trading account and work it from there if you're not ready to start trading with live money, okay? So under the study, I'm going to choose price change. And it's under price performance. There it is, price change. And then I'm going to choose close. It's already there. And then I want it at least 2. And then I want it less, change greater than to less than, and I'm going to change it to 120 bars. Okay? And then what I can do at the end of that is I can just click Save. And the save, let's see, query, oh, query name. Up here I got to put the query name, so I'm just going to say YouTube channel Gapper video. Okay, so I'm going to click Save. Keep staying with me, guys, because I'm not done. I'm going to show you how you guys can get it over here on the right side margin. Okay, so it is there now, and then what I want to do is I want to load it. It's under my personal section. There it is right there, YouTube channel Gapper video. And here it is right here. And if I want to load that now up over here under the watch list, I can come over here to the right of watch list, and I can go over here to personal. And there it is, down at the bottom there. So if you found this video helpful, guys, please look down right below the center. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm. I'll be coming up with more videos of other tools and other techniques that you guys can use to help improve your trading abilities, and give you guys some real good indicators as to when exactly, when lines are crossing, when there's certain things happening on the screen, that as soon as certain lines are crossing, you're going to know, like, this is going to be the time to buy. I'm going to be putting more videos together, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so that you guys are notified when I come up with more videos. But thanks, guys, for watching my gapping video on stocks for day traders. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.